In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Weebly template in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to freshen up your existing site or embarking on a whole new look, changing your Weebly template can truly revitalize the online experience you offer your visitors. And the best part, it's a straightforward process that you can breeze through with just a few clicks. Let's dive in and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, we need to start off by heading over to the Square free appointment scheduling and booking platform. You might be wondering why we're starting here, and that's a great question. Square integrates seamlessly with Weebly, so using their platform will streamline the setup process. Now once you're on the website, you should see a sign in button. Go ahead and click on that to log into your account. This is where you'll enter your login credentials, so just take a moment to do that. After you've successfully signed in, you'll be directed back to the Square dashboard. The dashboard is essentially your control center for all things Square and Weebly, offering a comprehensive overview of your account. From this point, we want to access the Weebly section, so click on Overview Weebly. This link will direct you to the part of Square where you can manage and edit your Weebly site. Upon arrival at the Weebly overview, what you'll want to do next is find and click on the Edit Site button. This action will transfer you into Weebly's website editor, opening the door to your website's creative possibilities. It's like stepping into your virtual creative studio. Inside the editor, you want to focus your attention on the site's design settings. Look for an option labeled Layout and Color. Clicking here will unveil your design options, allowing you to browse through various templates, layouts, and color schemes. This is the fun part where your creative juices can flow freely. You might want to take a few moments to explore your options here. See what fits your brand or personal vibe. Remember, selecting a template is more than just picking something that looks good. Consider your content. Will it fit well in the template? Does it enhance user navigation and experience? Once you've found the perfect template that aligns with your vision and needs, you'll be all set to make the switch. Just like that, you've successfully navigated through the process of changing a Weebly template. It's a fantastic way to keep your site fresh and inviting. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Happy designing, and I'll see you next time.